All right. Alright, so we're gonna try to add some caching here so we don't get rate limited. So we'll do source, then bin activate. Okay, we'll do this. I guess we'll do this. Delete that. We'll just see what happens. Let's say Python source. Okay. So we haven't done the lit chest yet. Excellent. Python PGM parser. There's a lot of helper functions here. really great. That helps a lot. That reduces the amount of code at the right significantly. So let's say chess.pgn. Read game. Maybe PGMs, I guess. And then we'll say games equals PGN for PGN in PGNs. How do you split in Python? How do you do this? We might need ChatGPT for this one. List comprehension. Oh, I gotta surround it in brackets. Here we gotta put chess.com dash .sqlid. Oh, that's right, this is chess.com. So I gotta get the PGN from the game. And how do I... How do I flatten? I'm a big fan of this, but I mean... I think that's it. That looks better. Yes. I must do that. Hey Mark, how's it going? What's the complaint about this thing? String has no read line. Okay, well, how do I change the string? Python string to text IO. Okay, we'll try that. Then we'll do this. We'll do this. Go back to here. Try that. Okay, no error. That's great. Why would I go to constants? I say default username. So I don't have to type it every single time. Then I'll go to Lichess. Do that. Lichess.com. Do similar change for this. Interesting. Excellent. I get some good information here. No, I can't remember if there's anything I could do to filter this. No, I don't think I would want to filter actually. I want to put this into its own file. Play a game. One more to analyze. Yeah, give me a second. Excellent. I see your name in here. All right. All right, one game. Excuse me. That's not the right word. I gotta figure out how to like to actually display these games. I need some kind of state variable. Alright, what side are we on? Okay. Gambit? No Gambit? See, I don't know what to do if you don't take this Gambit, actually. Do I just lose? Alright, well. Don't want your queen coming in. Like that knight is also kind of looking annoying. I gotta remember not to move this. I need to get my bishop out. It'd be nice to do something there. Can't go here. It's a very dangerous position. I feel like I kind of have... Now I gotta move this to open up the queen, theoretically. If you go here, what do I do about that? Isn't that just a loss? No, I go here? Yeah, no, that's not a loss. We're fine. I guess I could have gone here. Maybe that would have been interesting. Yeah, why didn't I just go there? That would have been nuts. Oh, you're trying to go for that win. Trying to go for the win. You took my spot away. I wanted that spot. Oh, now I'm pinned. Now I'm pinned. You have to make this move. Actually, I didn't. I don't like that move now. I want to. Oh, I can't go there anyway. Guess this is still possible. Since your queen's occupied. How do I do something about this bishop? I guess I have 2 attackers. Guess I'm fine with that. Is there something I'm missing now? Don't move this knight. Don't move this knight. This knight is basically useless. I actually have more than 2 attackers. Oh, okay. I gotta do this. I almost fell for it. Almost fell for it. Maybe I did fall for it. Almost fell for it. I actually almost stuck with my knight there. I forgot about the pin. Oh gosh, don't castle. Don't do it to me. Is there something interesting I could do here? Do I want that even? Yeah, I do, because you're going to attack me next turn if I don't do this. I have to do this. You've given me no choice. Well, that's a potentially interesting move. The question would be, is there anything I could do with that? This would be fine. I think at this point I just gotta start trading. Since I'm up material. I don't know. I don't even know when that happened. That on exchange, I thought I was down. I thought I was up a piece. I was actually down a piece. So anything I could do to trade here is going to be ideal. Just don't lose the queen. That is the main line to avoid here. I don't want to keep taking pawns though, because it might open up their position. So this is probably the only pawn I'd take, just because I thought it would have attacked. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what he's going for here. I'm thinking this is interesting. Oh yeah, no, that's actually really interesting. In theory, that's really interesting. In practice, we'll find out. In practice, we will find out. He's got him with the queen or the king. Okay, so he's lining up pieces on me. So I gotta start developing a little bit more. I gotta connect my rooks, I feel like would be a really good idea. Oof, it's really closed position for me though. feel like I want to move this at some point to create an escape square, but I gotta move my bishop. I can't move it there though, it's not really protected. I don't want to move this because it gives the queen like permission to come in to take my rook, so I don't know. This isn't the greatest move, but it's the only move I see. I don't want to lose on time. I am lined up on both the rooks, but I don't know what he's trying to do here. He could move this, text, no, but he wouldn't take it with the queen. I think one of the moves has to be moving this and doing a trade here. But that, then, okay, but there's a bishop, there's a pawn, okay. This is an idea I have. Okay. Oh well. What are the options here? Okay, I'm gonna lose considerable material. I'll go here. Takes. I'm down at. Oh no, but then I have this defending. So the question is, which knight do I still want standing? Even trade. Now I'm up material. And now this bishop's more free. It actually opens my position a little bit. I want to try to keep this knight where it is. But don't really have a choice, do I? Oh, he has so much backup actually. Am I losing a piece here? I don't even know. I could just pin the knight, potentially. What happens if I do that? I wasted too much time on that move, unfortunately. I know that he's extra cautious about back rank, so he's gonna keep his rook solid, I imagine. I feel like the best move, that's a good move. That's a good move too. Oh, I guess I gotta say adios. Adios. I do kind of, okay, interesting. I was gonna say, I kind of have a free move right now, but only kind of. Not anymore though. I could consider doing something about this. I don't know. It's probably a bad idea. Queen's on the dark squares and the king's on light squares. They don't have. This could be actually pretty bad. Okay. Well, I guess basically my knight has nowhere to go now. I guess I could go here. My queen's on the dark square, bishop's on the dark square. They're probably gonna go there. I think it's fine. Oh, they attack this. It's not really free. It is defended actually. Okay. Where are you now? Okay. I think I gotta do this. I have to do this. I have no choice. If he goes here, I have an idea. I have a good idea. This bishop. I wasn't thinking of that bishop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, he wins on that, right? Or we're even. There's a lot of pressure right now. If I could figure out where to put this bishop, that would be interesting. That would be nice. If I could move this knight somewhere interesting, that would be nice. Like, to me, I just want to put the knight here to get this bishop off this diagonal. Like, I don't want him on this diagonal. If I put the knight here, that might be more interesting. Just debate. So if I, okay, well, not too sure what to do here. It's not really worth losing that. I think it's time. Tis time. Just to simplify. And now I'm just up a piece, so I gotta try to make taking advantage of that. I probably should have just pushed the pawns, just start pushing pawns. Activate the king, start pushing pawns. Yep. It's probably not optimal what I'm doing here. I kind of locked my king out. It's a little annoying. Oh, damn it. I don't have time. Damn it! Sorry. GG. Yeah, it was a sweaty one, for sure. Alright, so that was another series of attacks. Now I could have lost right here as well. Very likely could have lost there as well. Not that you lost, I mean you won. Can't believe there were better moves there. Yeah, Stockfish wanted us to simplify. Those are the best moves right there. I just didn't know how to play this endgame, and I guess it was just to push the pawns. I was like, okay, move the bishop. What was my bishop doing? I guess nothing. I should have just prioritized getting this pawn to the end. Just pushed it all the way up and then use this pawn to move him out of the way. Well. Yeah. I needed to push this before I pushed that. That was a bad move. Alright, well, next time I'll know. I'll know. What was the opening I did? Oh. I tried to gambit. That's a mistake. This blunder's a piece. Oh, I missed. You missed. There's a free pawn. Yeah. You just have to run. It's an even game if you just run. But I guess you were hoping. You were hoping for this. Oh gosh, and I would have too. I thought I had that. Oh gosh. Yeah. The robots like losing the center though, it seems. God, what was like the best move? Oh, I should have just moved away. Which makes sense. I mean, you just chased me if I go here. It's kind of silly that I made this move of all moves. And I think I should have done like some combination of these. Maybe this and then this. And tried to escort them with my king. Anyway. GG. I need to manage my time better. Like, I just need to pick moves that aren't losing as quickly as I can. Rather than pick the best move. Because even after thinking for a while, I still don't pick the best move, so. C5, then B6. C5. B6. Oh, you're talking about the end game. You're talking about the end game. Yeah. My bad. C5. Sorry, C5. Would have made your bishop useless. I see. Go back. C5, B6. Yeah. Yep. Crash. I don't know how a chess page is gonna crash. That's crazy to me. Yeah, I wish I could see it still. I don't know how this app could possibly crash. I can't even comprehend. Yeah. Can't even comprehend why this page would crash. What's going on in this page? Just out of memory. Maybe it's the advertisements. Yeah, true. All right, GG. I need to learn some openings, some opening theory. Just I've been messing around with some of my more aggressive gambits. Windows 11, €1 PC. It might be because I'm in a weird browser, because I'm on Arc, which is technically Chrome, but you never know. Alright, one more game to analyze. Analyze. Down a new line. Save it. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, so then the question becomes, how do we put these games? And okay, maybe we could do new file state.py. I'll say class state, and I'll say get the self, and then do self dot chess username, self dot chess dot com username, self dot games equals some empty list. And then we do state equals state. And then we'll just use the state throughout. Down here, we'll say state.chess.com username equals username. From state. I'm gonna create a new file. Utility.py. We can play another game later, Mark. Just want to make a little bit of progress here. Let's say from utility import flat. Working right now? All right. Connectchess.com. I think it's state. I'm gonna say date games. Get chess.com games. Alright, I guess session's just going in here. Session import session. Excuse me. From state import state. Put this here. Get chess.com archives. Self dot. Self. We gotta put self for all of these. I feel like we should have. Let's just do this. We'll do class chess.com. Get archives. Get games. Flat from utility import flat. What's it called? Right, so we could say chess.com equals chess.com. And then we say def get games say connect chess.com, say chess.com username, I'll say self.chess.com username equals chess.com username. Cool. Give me a moment. Give me a moment, y'all. I just need to do some work-related stuff. Getting caught up here. good there. What is it? Okay, first and last name, interesting. All right. One. Wow, there's a lot of birthdays. A lot of maxes. All right. All right. Probably good for now. Excuse me. Okay, I'll set that all up when I get a computer. All right, close this. Great. we'll say self.get games. We'll say def get games. We'll say games equals empty array. Then we'll say if self.chess.com username there is no self reference. Games.extend chess.com.get games of self.chess.com username. Well, that's fine for now. Okay, now we can go to the game. Hopefully here we can import state. And we could do print state dot games dot length. Try that. Okay. This, open this up, go to chess.com, press enter. All right. So we're gonna go to chess.com. No, we want to go to state. We want to verify arguments. Self.get archives. Is one position about 2 were given? Yes. I do that. On this, press enter, wrong enter. Okay. That raises the question. Are Python imports shared? Okay. So what do we do in the chess.com file? Ah, yes. Terminate it. Connect. Enter. There we go. Excellent. Now we're gonna make another one. Class. Lead chess. Def get games self username. I think session API cache. That's what we'll call it. Take a look here. Download all games of any user in PGN format. Okay, let's see if it works. Export games by ID. Where's the URL? I'm very confused. Oh, it's right there. It's on the right. That was obvious. That's not helpful. Just turn off the printing for now. In the game. So here we say state.connect LHS username from state import state. Then we need to go to here. LHS username. Okay. If self.LHS username games.extend LHS.get games self.LHS username, and then we'll have to do this. Chess. Try it. Very slow, very slow. I don't even have that many games and it's very slow. Okay, so it's not giving me the PGN. Okay, we're gonna figure out all the arcs we need here. We don't need since, we don't need until. Download all games. First rated, no. Perf type, probably we want. How do we do Python? Python Quest params. Is there a nice way to do it? Query params. I just don't like the look of any of this. So, probably just gonna hard code it. Perf type equals that's fine. If I make this smaller, does it make it easier to work with? Not really. Okay, so we want ultra bullet, blitz, rapid, classical, correspondence, crazy house, NHS, atomic horde, can be the hell racing king, sweet track. Any others matter? And we'll just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Excellent. Don't care about the color. Don't care about analyzed. We want moves, so we want bully. We want this to be true. True. Alright, PGN and JSON, we want that to be true. Sure. Tags equals true. Clocks. Evals, sure. Accuracy, why not? Opening, yeah. Division, absolutely. Ongoing. Finished. Literate. Sure. With bookmarked, don't care, players, don't care, sort, date descending. Okay, well, hopefully this is interesting enough. This is a good progress, very good progress. So at this point we want to dot split by new line. No, we don't. We want the JSON. We want the I don't think we want a prop actually. So maybe what we should have here is def get pgns self username and we can say return pgn for pgn to be game. This is games. Games. PGN sub PGN. It's gonna be game. And here we'll say PGNs equals self.get PGNs username. And then we could say we'll just return JSON here. So games. And we'll say return PGN for PGN in games. Wrap that in brackets. And so this will be chess.pgn.read game. Game pgn game. And then we gotta do some kind of string util IO thing here. Check it. JSON decoder error. Extra data. So that's not really JSON? Gotta be kidding me. There's no comma, it's just new lines. Oh gosh. Is that what I had to do before? There's no way. I don't remember doing it. Oh my goodness. Oh, you do have to get text. That's crazy. That's so annoying. So we gotta do games dot split dot text dot split on new line, and then we're gonna say for game in this we want to JSON dump. Serialize object. I want to deserialize. Load. str has no method read. Oh, what's a file pointer? These are 2 new lines? Ready for a game? All right, let me clear my mind with this error here, and then we could do one. Raise JSON to code, expecting value. Get white now? Alright. So we'll do just loads here. I'm gonna do print. So we do have empty ones. So it makes me think I need to do that. Okay, and there's always an extra one. do it like that? Oh well. This is gonna be important. Okay. And okay, so we can simplify this. Okay, I want to practice my hyper aggressive opening. I'm trying to improve it, find the weaknesses. So minute. Oh, you already did. Beat me to it. Hyper aggressive. I know that you probably already played against this, but I want to find the weaknesses. Gosh, this is like the same opening someone else just did to me. It's too aggressive. It's too aggressive. It is too aggressive. Yeah, too aggressive. Yeah, that's a move. I gotta be careful about that move. I should have castled first. That was the mistake. Now I know. I want to protect this. Oh yeah, it's already protected. What am I talking about? I'll make sure this guy stays safe for sure. I'm basically just gonna castle the other way, I guess. Alright, none of my pieces are protected essentially. So it might be a good idea to start figuring that out now. That's fine. You just keep developing, I think, right? You're way further developed than I am. So your pieces will be active long before mine never are. I probably should have moved here. This is a light colored bishop, like light squared bishop. Dark versus light, kind of drawish, a little bit. But I don't have to worry about you coming in for my knight. I don't want to ruin this pawn structure though, so you're not really going for anything with the bishop. Oh, you could check me. So how dangerous is this check? Do I have a response for it if I go here? I guess I could do that, but you check me. You're light squared, I'm light squared, so I don't want to go there. I don't want you to go here. How do I prevent that? Oh, well, I have a dark squared bishop, so I guess I can do this. That was a lot of time. Just for one move. If I could weaken this stuff in front of your king, that would be great. Okay, so you are now officially attacking this. Is there any way I defend that? There is. Or, nah, that's not, there is no or. I'll do this. It's another reason I shouldn't have done this move. I'll do this because it attacks two things. Unless he bring, well, he can't bring the rook in still. It'd be a blunder. I mean, he could just move here. You didn't fall for it. You didn't, I mean, you took the gambit though, but like, I didn't really get anything out of it. I should have castled. guess I shouldn't have moved here because it's light squared. Yeah, I guess you really want it. Well, I can't go there. Now I'm pinned. Okay, well, I guess in this situation, it's gonna be good to unpin. Okay. That's defended. This is still not defended. This is not defended. He could go here, then it defends everything. It's a good move. I can move this, move the king out of the way, bring this rook into the game, since he doesn't have a dark square bishop. Oh. Surprising. Okay, I gotta move this now, I think. I have ideas with this bishop, but I gotta move this pawn first. Okay, that's fine. That's a fine move for me. It gives me a little bit more breathing room. You can't take advantage of this yet. Is there a move? Oh, I missed it! I missed it. I'm a noob. Yeah. Damn. I was too focused on this side of the board, so totally makes sense. Plus I have like other ideas. Are they good ideas? Probably not. Double up. Okay, this is where we're taking most of the time, so this is mid-game. I wonder if there's like I wonder if that's how they detect mid versus late game. Just how long the moves are taking. Excuse me. We're even. We're actually even, which is interesting. Interesting enough to say. Can't go here. It's fine. It's not how I wanted things to work out, but it's fine. Well, we're no longer even, so. Ooh, where do I go? Just don't get caught by the bishop. Wish I had somewhere interesting to go. Definitely not here, I think. I don't want to put my rook behind the knight either, I don't think. And they're on the same color now, but they won't be next turn. Okay, probably this. That's the most options for me. I wasted like all my time on that one move. I made a whole minute on that one move. What the? Oh gosh, no. Oh, that's a good attack. That's a good attack right there, if I do say so myself. Man. What can I do? Oh, that's a bad move. Everything's bad. Oh my god, I got baited. Did I get baited? Almost. Almost. If my rook wasn't here, that would have been bad. You're gonna have the pawn in game. Yeah. I got no time. think you gotta make 2 more moves before you're queened. Oh, well, that's okay. Thought you would have taken that, but it would have been a really powerful take, in my opinion. Oh my god, the time. Damn, GG. Alright, missing this fork. Wow, I hardly... Try 15 minutes? Yeah. This hardly would have put me ahead. Even if I took that rook, like, your position was so good. Well, that was a blunder. Was it 2.2 to... Oh yeah, that was horrible. That was like the worst move I could have made. Yeah, at the end here though, this is what I've seen. This is what I've seen. A lot, rather than pushing, you won on time, it doesn't really matter. But once you get your pawn here, and I have my rook here, the idea is just to push this, then I would do a waiting move, then push this, right? I can't take this rook now, because you just capture me. And so in this position, you get your queen. You don't need to move another pawn. So your pawn is protecting your rook. So the idea is get your rook to be protected by the pawn, and they make a nice protection pair. Some theory there. Obviously you had the time advantage, so you didn't need to do anything crazy. But if you're ever in a bind and you need this tactic, this is the winning tactic here. Even if I just do another waiting move, if you get the queen, I still lose my rook. I would be losing. So. And what did I actually do? When I made this move, when I made this king move, this just becomes a free pawn. And that's the pawn I wanted to promote anyway. So I mean, at that point, I just like lose the game. So that's another killer move. Yeah. All right. I wouldn't want to not tell you the tactic. Well, it's all good. It's kind of crazy because I know I don't have that much chess experience and whatnot, but when I watch the Chess Vibes Nelson, he can explain 30 different moves that he's gonna do, spend 3 minutes on a single move, and he still doesn't run out of time. And I just think that's incredible. And he's like talking out loud, he's explaining it, he's telling you why it's a blunder, why it's strong, what's the theory, what's all these things, and still has enough time to beat pretty much everyone. Like, he has like a 99% win rate in these climbs. And yeah, he's going against people who are half his rating level. But he doesn't lose on time. I don't think I've ever seen him lose on time. So, you know, I actually don't think I do that much thinking. But apparently I spend 1 minute on one move, which is not good. It's not good. Anyway. GG's. Rook D2 would have prevented your idea for me. Let's see it. So I was here. I suggest that you do this. You're saying D2, then you get the queen. You get the, I mean, unless I'm thinking about a different part of the game. Unless you're saying that I make this waiting move, you do this, then I do this, then you still get your queen. Okay. Yeah, this is the move that I see Nelson makes all the time. Like, he lines up his rook on one side of the pawn, brings it forward. Okay, alright, let's print the counts again. I think that'll be the best. So we'll go to the game, wherever that is, game pi. Put the lengths back in. I'll seek it as pin, but once the pawn is a queen, it defends it, yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's a killer combination. Yeah, I think the weakness with the opening I did is just I don't develop my pieces. I should have castled. I feel like castling would have been a huge deal. And I had options. Like, I should have not been so greedy. Like, just the fact that I could get both these pawns past you and not get en passant, I should have been grateful. I should have not done this, which obviously you see is like a very losing move. I should have not done this. I should have just castled. And that actually brings another player into the game. My king was blocking this rook in for the rest of the game. I should have just counted my blessings. Did this move later. And then made something happen. Got too aggressive too soon. Queen trade. Yeah. Yeah, I did see it coming at a certain point. I actually thought you would have brought the rook in immediately, just checked me. But I mean, I get why you didn't. Oh, oh, that was the move that I totally missed. Oh, only one mistake though. I'm surprised it didn't say I made a miss. Surprised. Anyway, let's see if we're logging it. Terminate. Run it. Here. Lead chess. Enter. 157. Chess.com. Enter. 291. Great. Alright, so we've loaded all of our games. Saw F6 after your move. Yeah, I saw it right after I made my pawn move. That's like a clenching moment for sure. If you make that rook move. Yeah, that would have turned things for sure. If there's some way I could have like lured that pawn out. No, there's nothing I could have done. Yeah. Dang. We were pretty even. And then this trade, because you ended up being up a pawn. Anyway, I wish I could see the moves, but I don't get unlimited anything. You need diamond? Friends and family? That's kind of interesting. See, this one feels more worth it. Because you get it for 4 people. Like the friends and family I would actually do. Because I want to be able to learn with my fiance. And challenge her more. Excuse me. Oh, you can't even get it unless you do it annually. That's crazy. It's also cheaper. It's cheaper than getting just one person monthly. That's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, I already did my analysis. I already did it on the first game we played. Well, eventually I'll have my tool and I'll be able to use that. We're able to load the games, but we're not showing them. We're not showing chess pieces. We're not showing any way to interact with the games. But, yeah, I'll do it one step at a time. Make it happen. Oh, really? Is that how it works? Oh, sweet. Thank you. Okay, well, you were winning the whole time, but that's because I did my hyper aggressive move. You saw everything. Oh, they don't even like that move. It's good, but it's not the best. What's the difference? I should have developed your other knight. Okay. So they should have moved. This is not good. It's just no apparent reason. But you just wanted the castle. What should you have done? You should have en passanted. If you did en passant, I just capture with the bishop, I guess. Because I was gonna just do the same thing on this side. Because my idea is, when I was doing this, let's say you did that. My idea here was, well, you would have actually, what you would have actually done, it's not that, you probably would have castled. My idea was to do this, which doesn't like it, but doesn't mean that I'm not gonna do it. Would have been that. Then I maybe would have castled. Who knows what you would have done. But eventually, well, I can't do that because your bishop's here. But if you did move this bishop, I would probably try to pin this knight. Try to bring my queen in over here since now this guy is pinned. I don't know what would be good though. Probably defending this pawn would be good. But I'm no longer pinned, so now my queen's in trouble. So you actually did two things with that one move. One thing I consider doing is that. Oh. It's like a pretty even game right now. Oh well, I just lost my queen. Anyway, those are some of the ideas I had. It's pretty aggressive opening, but probably never wins. Anyway. Oh, did I delete it already? Okay, so there's one thing I would want to do is save state. So I'll do a little search. Python save state. Save app state. Is there something that already does it? Pickle. Pickle or JSON modules? Okay, I guess I'll do JSON. Oh, it's Python specific. All right, well, I actually need to do some chores. Made some good progress today, otherwise. I know it wasn't a long stream, but I gotta prepare for this job that I'm starting next week. So, yeah, I think I should call it. But anyway, thanks for hanging out, Mark. Anyone else who's out there, thanks for checking out the streams. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be back on again 10 a.m. tomorrow. So, I'll see you all then. Bye for now.